Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel Science Vision with Bhandegar sir. Today we learn that is how we draw the diagrams when that object place or you are given a position of object here and you can draw the diagram and indicate the position of image, then nature of image and size of image. Dear student, what is in my nature of image here? Nature of image, there are two types of nature here, one real and inverted image and one virtual and erect image. You know what is in my real and inverted? That real image means which can really obtain on the screen, that is called a real image, and that image which can obtain and forms to right side of the lens, image which can obtain to right side of the lens and below the principal axis, hence that nature is called a real and inverted image. We compare the size of image and size of object here, and it is necessary to mention that is position of image, then nature of image and size of image as compared to the object here, then you should get a full marks of that particular topic. One diagram asked in your question paper for 3 marks, question for 3 marks here there, and you are given a position of object and you should draw the diagram according to position. Hence, it is necessary to understand which rules can be used there. Dear student, yesterday in last video, we can study that is rules which are used to draw the ray diagram by using convex lens. We can study the 3 rules there and we can use these rules to draw the diagram. But it is necessary to understand practically which rule can be used to draw the which diagram. Which rule can be used to draw the which diagram? Means in this way, here first diagram is there. You are given a position of object at infinity, object at infinity. Object at infinity means that object away from the principal axis, away from the principal axis, that is called a infinity. We can draw the diagram here, that is a convex lens. Look here carefully, here convex lens, and dear student, you can use the geometry box to draw the lenses. Here you know that is optical center O, then here a principal axis, here F2 means a focus of convex lens, here 2f2 at the same distance, here f1 and here 2f1. Dear student, it is necessary to know, just equal distances are there, all distances are equal to right side and to the left side. When object at infinity, that light rays are parallel to principal axis. Look here, we can use the first rule only in this diagram, and here what is the first rule? When light ray parallel to principal axis, then refracted ray passes from focus. Look here, object at infinity means it is away from the principal axis. Here is object, for example AB is object, and both the light rays are parallel to principal axis, that above the principal axis and below the principal axis. Light rays are parallel to principal axis, then here according to first rule, that when light ray parallel to principal axis, that is a refracted ray passes from focus. That is a refracted ray passes from focus, means image of object at focus. Means where is the image, that refracted ray meet at that point and that point is the image point. Means in this way, object at infinity, image at focus, image at focus, object at infinity, image at focus. Then what is the nature of image? nature of image, what is its nature? You know, I can explain you that image which can right side of the lens, right side of the optical center, and below the principal axis, that image is real and inverted. Means nature of image, that is real and inverted. Nature of image, that is real and inverted. And what is the size? Size of image, that is a point image. Size of image is point image. Means it is highly diminished image, means not seen by our open eyes. Dear student, look here. When object away from principal axis, then we cannot see the image of object. Hence, you know, that is size of image, it is the point image or it is highly diminished image. Means very small image which cannot seen by our open eyes. Means that is the first diagram. Object at infinity, you are given a position of object only, then you know we can draw the diagram. Both the light rays are parallel to principal axis and both refracted ray are passes from focus and image at focus. Look here, dear student, that diagram number second. You are given a position of object. Now object on principal axis but beyond 2f1. Object beyond 2f1. Object beyond 2f1 but on the principal axis. We can draw this diagram in this way. Here convex lens, and you know that is a optical center O. Optical center O. Then here a principal axis. Here f2. Here 2f2. Here f1. Here 2f1. An object beyond the 2f1. Object beyond 2f1 means here is the object. That AB is the object. You know, in this diagram we use the rule number 1 and rule number 3. Rule number first and rule number third. You know what is the rule number first? Rule number first is that light ray parallel to principal axis, then refracted ray passes from focus. Rule number first, when light ray parallel to principal axis, refracted ray passes from focus. And what is rule number 3? Dear student, what is rule number 3? Rule number 3 is that light ray passes from optical center O. It passes undeviated. It passes undeviated without changing the direction. These two refracted rays meet between, that is f2 and 2f2. That is A dash B dash is image. Look here, these two light rays meet between f2 and 2f2 means in this way here A dash B dash is image. Image between f2 and 2f2 means look here, object beyond 2f1, then image between f2 and 2f2, object beyond 2f1, image between f2 and 2f2. What is the nature of image? Nature of image, that is real and inverted. Real and inverted. And what is size of image? Size of image, that is smaller than object. Smaller than object means in this way that is the second diagram. You are given a position of object joined to F1, image between F2 and 2F2. That is the one ray diagram, that is second ray diagram. Now we can study the third ray diagram. Diagram number 3. Diagram number 3 here, that is object at 2F1. Diagram number 3 here, object at 2F1. Object at 2F1. Look here, this diagram is very important diagram. We draw the diagram. Here convex lens, here optical center O, and in this way here principal axis. We take a points correctly here, that F2 by measuring scale, here 2F2 at the same distance, here F1, and look here, that is a 2F1. Look here, dear student, object at 2F1. In this way, AB is object at 2F1. Then here we use the rule number first and rule number third. In same, that is the second diagram. Rule number first, light ray parallel to principal axis, refracted ray passes from focus. Light ray parallel to principal axis, refracted ray passes from focus. That is rule number first. What is rule number third? Light ray passes from optical center O in this way, and it passes undeviated. An image of object at 2F2, A dash B dash is image. Means object at 2F1, image at 2F2. Dear student, look here, object close to lens, that image away from the lens. Means in this way, in third ray diagram, object at 2F1, image at 2F2. Look here, object at 2F1, image at 2F2. Object at 2F1, image at 2F2. What is the nature of image? Nature of image, that is real and inverted. Real and inverted. Nature of image, that is real and inverted. And what is the size of image? Size of image and size of object are same here. Size of image and size of object are same here. Means a size here, size of image, that is a same as object. Same as object. Means in this way, dear student, there are three ray diagrams. Today we study the three ray diagrams. To draw the ray diagram, image formation by convex lens. Dear student, you are given a position of object, and from that position of object, you can draw the diagram and indicate the position of image, then a nature of image, and also the size of image. Please, you can make a practice to draw the diagram and just understand carefully here. And thanks for watching my video here. Very thanks.